Our fascination with Mars has led to discoveries we once thought impossible. In this video, we're traveling from early spacecraft flybys to high-tech rovers prowling the red planet's surface, revealing the top 10 extraordinary Mars missions you should absolutely know. Buckle up for a ride that may surprise you with each step. Number 10. Mariner 4, the first successful Mars flyby. Mariner 4 launched in 1964 and became the first spacecraft to successfully fly past Mars, capturing the world's attention with the first close-up images of another planet. People had always painted Mars in a mysterious light, but Mariner 4 gave a glimpse beyond speculation, showing detailed pictures that showed a heavily cratered surface rather than the lush, alien landscapes we'd imagined. Every moment of its mission signaled a leap forward in our cosmic curiosity. This was the beginning of tangible contact with the red planet, forever altering how we saw it. The data from Mariner 4 laid the groundwork for deeper explorations, inspiring scientists to wonder about Mars' ancient past and whether secrets still lay hidden beneath its dusty exterior. Number 9. Viking 1 and Viking 2, the first landers to touch down. NASA's Viking missions were trailblazers, with each containing an orbiter and a lander to investigate Mars up close. In 1976, Viking 1 made history when it performed the first successful landing on the Martian surface and sent back high-resolution color panoramas. Suddenly, the dusty red soil and the never-ending horizon felt almost within reach. The Viking landers carried instruments specifically designed to search for possible signs of life. While results weren't conclusive, they deepened our question of whether Mars once housed some form of microbial existence. In short, the Viking program gave birth to the on-the-ground approach, capturing Mars' harsh beauty like never before. Number 8. Mars Pathfinder and Sojourner rover. The rover revolution begins. When Mars Pathfinder touched down in 1997, it arrived with a small but mighty companion, the Sojourner rover. Despite being only the size of a microwave oven, Sojourner charmed the world by rolling over rocks, snapping pictures, and giving us our first taste of remote-controlled mobility on another planet. More than just an adorable explorer, Sojourner's success proved that rovers could operate effectively on the Martian surface. It gathered essential data on soil composition and climate, offering proof that a simpler, cost-effective mission model could still yield spectacular results. The mission revitalized global interest in Mars and opened up new possibilities for future rover expeditions. Number 7. Mars Express, Europe's perspective on the red planet. Spearheaded by the European Space Agency, Mars Express began its journey in 2003 to deliver Europe's first full-scale mission to Mars. Equipped with cutting-edge instruments, this orbiter made significant observations, including mapping the planet's surface in stunning detail, hunting for subsurface water, and helping unravel mysteries about Mars's thin atmosphere. Among its most notable feats was the discovery of evidence pointing to ancient liquid water beneath the surface. As Mars Express circled overhead, it also deployed the Beagle 2 lander, which, while largely silent after touchdown, still represented a bold attempt by Europe to plant its feet on Martian soil. Mars Express is a testament to global involvement in exploring uncharted frontiers. Number 6. Spirit and Opportunity, the twins that refused to quit. Launched in 2003, NASA's Spirit and Opportunity rovers landed on opposite sides of Mars. These solar-powered explorers were scheduled for a 90-day mission, but they refused to accept any limitations. Spirit roamed for over 6 years, and Opportunity endured for almost 15 years. Their resilience astonished scientists and the public alike. They traversed crater edges and ancient riverbeds, unraveling signs of water-rich history in the rocks. Each day, they beamed back stunning panoramas and crucial data, telling stories of Mars' wetter epochs. Their iconic journey taught us about perseverance and exploration, fitting for rovers that outlived their planned mission timelines by a galactic margin. Number 5. Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, the Eyes in the Sky. Arriving at Mars in 2006, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, became our high-resolution eye on the red planet. Its powerful camera, HiRISE, captures jaw-dropping images of Mars's terrain, revealing everything from avalanche-prone cliffs to shifting dunes and dust devils dancing on the horizon. This orbiter's data has been instrumental in identifying future landing sites and showing more evidence of hydrated minerals, compounds that form in the presence of water. In many ways, MRO is like the cosmic detective, pointing out where we should investigate next and unveiling Mars' ever-changing surface. Number 4. Mangalyaan, India's successful budget mission. India's Mars orbiter mission, fondly known as Mangalyaan, made headlines in 2014 when it arrived at Mars on a shoestring budget, much lower than many Hollywood space films. This remarkable feat set India apart as the first nation to reach Mars on its maiden attempt. Mangalyaan's instruments monitor Martian weather patterns, atmospheric composition, and surface features. Symbolically, it's a testament to rising international collaborations and innovative engineering. With minimal funds, India proved that cost-effective solutions can still achieve groundbreaking results, thus broadening the global roster of serious Mars explorers. If you're enjoying these interplanetary insights so far, give this video a quick thumbs up. It truly helps us share these cosmic wonders with more people. Now, let's journey on. Number 3. MAVEN, Unraveling Martian Atmosphere. NASA's MAVEN, which arrived in 2014, is devoted to understanding how and why Mars' atmosphere changed over time. By analyzing interactions with solar wind and electromagnetic fields, MAVEN paints the picture of a once more robust Martian atmosphere that gradually thinned out. If you've ever wondered how a planet transitions from a potentially habitable world to an arid desert, MAVEN is gathering all the puzzle pieces. Its findings revolutionize our understanding of Martian climate history and guide scientists in determining how Earth-like conditions might vanish or evolve over epochs. Number 2. Curiosity, the search for ancient habitability. When NASA's Curiosity rover touched down in 2012, it did so with a flourish, thanks to an innovative sky crane maneuver that remains one of space exploration's most daring landings. Curiosity's mission is to explore Gale Crater, an area suspected to have once been a watery environment, potentially suitable for life. Armed with an array of scientific instruments, Curiosity drills into rock to analyze composition, snapping selfies that make Mars exploration feel more personal. Thanks to Curiosity, we have strong evidence that ancient Mars was once habitable, with fresh discoveries continuously rolling in. This mechanical marvel is a testament to our desire to question, discover, and adapt. Number 1. Perseverance, the quest for past life and future plans. The most recent rover to grace the Martian surface, Perseverance landed in Jezero Crater in 2021 with a clear mission: seek biosignatures of ancient life and collect samples for an eventual return to Earth. It even brought along a tiny experimental helicopter named Ingenuity, which performed history's first powered flight on another planet. Perseverance is busy drilling core samples, analyzing geology, and capturing the raw spirit of Mars in high-definition imagery and audio. This mission sets the stage for a future human presence by assessing resources like oxygen production. With each discovery, Perseverance carries our hopes for unraveling the age-old question: are we alone in this vast cosmos? Our knowledge of Mars has grown immensely thanks to these missions. Each endeavor, successful or not, has chipped away at the red planet's secrets. From revealing images to chasing the possibility of life, every mission points humanity closer to a future where Mars might become a new frontier for exploration. If you found your imagination ignited by these tales of Mars missions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be the first on board with more incredible space stories. Until next time, keep dreaming of the stars.